All right, this video is how to edit the description in YouTube Studio on your iPhone. First, we're going to open it up. It's going to take us right to the dashboard. We're going to go to the center, which is our videos. I'm putting a video in right now. We're going to go to View More Videos, and we're going to go down to my crab video again. I'm going to click on that one. It's going to open up the video page. On this video page, you've got a bunch of different things. Analytics, got your name of your video, and up here at the very top is where you go to edit. So you got to press that little pencil. Bam, it's going to open up your edit page. And on the edit page, you're going to see all the different things that you can do, but we're going to drop right down to description because that's what we're doing. And the description is, a big crab crawls on my foot, and we're just going to touch that. It's going to open up your keyboard. I'm going to move my spacer over a little bit, and I'm just going to write, and it tickles. He moves sideways very fast. All right, that's enough. And we're going to go up, and we're just going to save that. Bam. And now that's going to be saved. All right, so that's it. That's how you do it. If you want to go back to your other page, you come up here, you press that arrow, it brings you back to your page. And there you are. There's our page. Go here, back to dashboard, bam. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on YT Studio or YouTube Studio in your iPhone. Peace out.